Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to turn on or off video autoplay on Facebook. Let's get started. First open your Facebook app and tap the three lines menu. It's at the top right on Android and bottom right on iPhone. Scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Then tap settings. Now scroll until you find the media option and open it. Inside media settings, look for autoplay. Here you will see three options: on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, never autoplay videos. Choose the one you want. If you want to disable autoplay, select never autoplay video. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.